Ooh. Not bad. So I was messing with the servo a little bit on this, so hopefully it drives a little better. This is all stock now, and we're running with the URGENEX 5200 2S LiPo 70c, and you can see we made some changes to the track. Whoop, my steering is backwards. Not bad. So you see we took the jump out of there, fixed the hole, and we have some walls. So it's kind of more like well, the intention is so that I can let my critters out. And see, we put a fence up there so that the kind of direct the goats to where they're supposed to go. Hopefully she runs good. I haven't really had it on the new section yet. Oh, I got some logs in the way. That's okay. This is a little before dinner rip. I got some, there's a pear tree got struck by lightning a few years back, and it's seasoned up nice. I just cut it up, and we're going to cook some winter chicken dinner for Mama. A little barbecue chicken with some pear wood. It's gonna be good. Right over the fire. Woohoo! I don't know if I'm getting any of this. It's okay if I'm not, because we'll still have a weekend repairs. Now I was gonna put you know what? I'm gonna move them boards. I got a funny feeling. So this servo, see that? See how that moved? Now I can move it straight again, and in a little bit it'll drift again. Now this is one of them $20 blue 20K servos. So that deck will be ready real soon. I was trying not to have any too much track time until I got it all decked out, because if you see in the background there, we started some crawler track stuff. And I haven't gotten the weed whacker out in a couple days. Ooh, yeah. See, like, look, did you see how that steering went all wonky again? I need better servo. So, tomorrow night we should be getting our buy-e auction in. And some new rigs. And our eBay DT-02 sold a real decent price, and it went to one of my favorite YouTubers. You guys might see that later. I'm not gonna spill the beans. Anyways, it's so cool. You know who you are, and thank you, man. I'm glad you're gonna get it. You're exactly who I was hoping would, to be honest, my friend. So you gotta drive this a lot like a hopper. You gotta keep feathering the gas. Again, I haven't had this car. I mean, you've seen some track time, but I haven't had much more than that. Man, this servo is just... Anyway, so servo will be taken care of. I'm just playing around today. Waiting for the wood to burn. Ooh, that was nice. So the wall's complete. You can see we're making progress. And I think we're going to get the rhythm section down a little better. We got some good rigs coming. They're more track worthy. I mean, these Tamiyas are cool and all, these hoppers. That's why I think of them. The $100 specials is the way I look at them. They're the entry levels, you know. DT-03, DT-01, your hoppers. Because they're not hard to build, and they're easy to upgrade, and there's lots of options. Great first car, you know. This battery's doing great. Now it's just 1060. Again, silver can, nothing special. Whew. Let's do a couple. So we're gonna make some changes down here soon too. There must be a little blip there. The changes will be mostly over here. Pretty happy with this rig. So I got my eye on an auction that's going off in another day. Please comment if you think it's a good deal. It's a Falcon chassis. It's got no tires, but everything's with it. The whole chassis is complete. Shocks and all. You're talking $40, and then it's going to cost me another $30 shipped, so it's about $70 bucks. You guys let me know. I mean, everything looks intact and functional. Ooh, that was bad. You see that? It's like the servo saver moves, which it could be. Who knows? Anyways, you guys in the Falcon, is it worth it? Is it not? Again, I don't know if I'll end up keeping it, but it's hard to pass up that deal. You know, 40 bucks plus shipping. See, these front shocks are bouncing all over. There's a spacer in there. Sorry, I'm squirreling. And it makes it bounce a lot more. So that might be what makes it feel like a hopper. So I'll probably take that spacer out of there, try that out, maybe use some thicker oil on the front so it absorbs a little more of that. See how that back end whips around. And these are oil filled, so they're not junk. Anyways, I'm just enjoying myself. So I got about, not to switch subjects, but these are URGENEX 2S's. They're like perfect for this car. They're perfect for the holiday buggy or the DT-02. They don't really fit well in the grasshoppers. But that's okay, you know. Can't hit them all. I think, wait, maybe the Holly, I don't know. Anyways, doesn't matter. TT-02B on the other, and TT-02, these things are perfect. So we're going to be using them for our first phase of the run to 100. I saw some of the guys got some new ones out there. Then we're going to go to 3S, so we're going to do 2S, 70C, and then 5200 mAh, and then we're going to go 3S, dual batteries, 45C or maybe 50C, and that'll be 4800 mAh, which is what we ended up getting our 89 miles an hour on the Poor Boys contest. So with any luck, we'll be right in that same range again. Now again, this is a new ESC that we didn't use last time. And once we try this, we are then going to go 4S using two 2S's, 50Cs with our Surpass Hobby Monster ESC, our biggest ESC. So, but I don't know. I've been running a while with this. This thing is awesome. Hope you guys aren't bored. Me rambling and driving. Ooh, that was a good one. So one of the things that I need some time on, which will happen with time, once I have the right track car, which I think is going to be one of the ones coming up, I'll get my rhythm right, and I'll get these right. So the two cars this is going to be designed for is the one TAMIYA, that's what I'm going to build the jumps around, and my LC12B, which also means the WLs and the 114s, because they'll all be about the same kind. Now you see I'm flopping a little. I'm letting off the gas, but that's because this is two-wheel drive. It's the way I drive it. I don't know if it's right or wrong. I just do what I do. Ooh. Anyways, hopefully you guys dig. Like and subscribe and all that, guys. hopefully you get some of this footage. You guys have a wonderful weekend and a great Mother's Day. Make sure to give your mother a hug and kiss. Tell her you love her, because without them, this world would suck. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you when I see you. You have a wonderful weekend. Peace.